Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check the Adobe Premiere Pro license. Let's begin. To check the Adobe Premiere Pro license that you have or you are using, you just have to follow these simple steps. Once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro application on your computer, all right, I want you to hover to the help section here on the top and click the sign in. What will happen is you need to log into your Adobe Creative Cloud interface or the app details where you can view your subscription status. All right. And then from here, you will be directed to this web page. All you have to do is hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and click the manage account. Now in this section, you have like 4 tabs on top of the corner: overview, account and security, plans and payment, and of course the communication preferences. I want you to click the plans and payments and click the activated devices or products. Once you're here, you just have to take note the serial number for your app. All right. And then because the serial number for your app, you can use the serial number to activate, reinstall, or upgrade your application, which is going to be the Premiere Pro. All right. And if in case you are having trouble verifying your license, you can simply contact the Adobe support by going to this web page and click this option right here, wherein you download the Creative Cloud apps and go to the contact us option right here. Click the start now. You would be forwarded to this section. And once you get a hold of one of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems getting your license on your Adobe Premiere account. And of course, they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.